Hey guys, what's up? This is Doing Gaming from server 773, and today in this video I'm gonna show you some new building like a drone parts workshop. So you may have not seen this building because this can be obtained through research. If you go to the research and if you have already in season 2, you'll get like the age of oil new research unlocked, and in the age of oil you'll find a new building structure right here. You can see this is called as part workshop. It's a drone parts workshop. Okay, so it's gonna give you drone parts, and I have unlocked it, and I'll just press drone parts workshop something around here. Let's see, anywhere, I guess it's fine, and it's done. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. You can see we got drone parts workshop level 1, and I'll just upgrade this, and you can see in initial stage it can produce up to 6 hours, 5 hours 56 minutes, and power will be like 700. Max production time is 1 day. So I'm gonna just upgrade this and reduce the time for parts production time. Okay, so I will level up this after tomorrow, because we have like in VS you I can upgrade and get some points for that too. So as you can see, I have reduced the parts production time to 452 now from 552. So it will produce and drone part in 4 hours 52 every 4 hours 52 minutes. Okay, so that's it guys. This will give you like drone parts, so you can upgrade your drone, as it needs lots of drone parts to upgrade further. So you have to unlock it. Definitely it's a must have building for every player like F2P or spender. So you need to unlock it as soon as possible. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to the channel and press like bell icon for more last war content. Thank you.